Hello students, our today's program is write a program in Python to input two numbers and swap their values without using third variable. As you know, interchanging values of variable is called swapping. Two techniques are used in swapping, using third variable and without using third variable. But in this program, we have to swap the values of variable without using third variable. Now I am going to make this program in Python. Open Python software, click on option file and choose option new file and type the program code here in this file. A equal to int input swapping, enter value of a, b equal to int input before swapping, enter value of b, a equal to a plus b equal to a minus b, a equal to a minus b. Print after swapping the value of a is a, print after swapping the value of b is b. Now click on option file and choose option yes and save your program code. Now click on option run and choose option run module. When we run the program will ask to enter value of a before swapping. If we enter value of a before swapping is 10 and if we enter value of b before swapping is 20, then the program will print output after swapping the value of a is 20 and after swapping the value of b is 10. So interchanging values of variable is called swapping. I hope you understand the concept of this program very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.